Facebook is all about connecting people, and sharing moments and photos are a key part of that equation. From albums to tags, Facebook makes it simple to share photos with your friends and followers. That said, if you're looking to take your photos to the next level, creating a photo collage for Facebook is the way to go. Here's how it's done. If you're on the latest version of the Facebook app, you can present some photos as a basic photo collage on the app itself. Just tap on Photo under the status bar and pick up to 5 photos. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click Next. You'll be asked to choose your layout. It's important to select the photos in the order you want them to appear in from left to right or top to bottom. So, if you want to rearrange the photos, you'll have to tap Back and discard Post. Facebook also limits you by not allowing you to make any finer edits, like choosing how photos are cropped. For more control over your collage, we recommend you download Layout from Instagram through the appropriate link for your app store in the description below. Once you've downloaded the app, give it a tap and grant the permissions it needs if they pop up. Within the app, you should see your gallery. Select up to 9 photos, then scroll through and pick from any of the layouts in the row above. Once you see a layout you like, just tap on it to begin editing. You can shuffle the photos around by tapping and holding on the picture you want to move, then drag it where you want it to be. To zoom in or out on a picture, just tap on the picture, then pinch to zoom out and spread to zoom in. You can also tap, hold, and drag on a photo to adjust what's seen in frame. You'll find more options to edit individual photos in the tiles above the preview. Once you're satisfied, tap Save. You'll be given the option to post your collage on Instagram, Facebook, or any other app on your phone. To share your work on Facebook, just tap on Facebook, then follow through the prompts. If you want to share your collage later, just tap Done at the top right corner. That should save your collage to your gallery, where you can post it wherever you want. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Facebook and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.